So we are in session 34 of gravitation. In this session, we deal with elements of satellite motion, orbital velocity, time period, and escape velocity. Recap from the earlier session, we have studied Kepler's laws from Newton's laws of gravitation. So Kepler's laws, statements and derivation, conditions for different orbits, brief account on tides. So objectives of the session to study the basic concept on elements of satellite motion and also to know orbital velocity, time period and escape velocity. Session outcomes, basic knowledge on satellite motion, definition as well as derivation of orbital velocity, time period and escape velocity. Prerequisites, elements of satellite motion, definition of orbital velocity, time period and escape velocity. Terms used, orbital velocity, the velocity with which a satellite moves in its closed orbit. Time period, the time required by a body exhibiting periodic motion to complete one period. Escape velocity, the minimum speed at which an object must be projected from a planet so that it will not come back is called escape velocity. Elements of satellite motion, natural satellite, these are the natural small body moving around another relatively massive body is primarily called as satellite. Examples, planet moving around the sun as well as moon moving around the earth. Artificial satellite, man-made satellites moving around the earth. Example, Aryabhata, IRS series, etc. Orbit, it is a closed repetitive path moving around another relatively massive body is called as an orbit. Orbital velocity, considering the picture of the earth and the satellite which is revolving around the earth. So it is defined as the velocity with which a satellite moving in a closed orbit is called orbital velocity. So mathematically it is given by V naught equals square root of g into r. From the equation it is clear that the orbital velocity of a satellite is independent of the mass of the satellite. It decreases with increase in radius of the orbit or with the height of the satellite, depends on mass of the satellite, depends on the mass and radius of the planet about which satellite revolves. Time period, the time required by a body exhibiting periodic motion to complete one period is called time period. Distance covered by the satellite equals circumference of the circle in one revolution. Mathematically, t equals 2 pi square root of r cube by g into m. Factors on which time period of the satellite depends: mass of the planet, radius of the planet, height of the satellite from planet surface. Escape velocity, so the minimum velocity with which a satellite is projected from the surface of the earth so that it escapes the gravitational field of the earth. So it is given by v equals square root of twice g into m by r.